Guys, welcome back to Math Week. In this video, we'll learn more about how to solve linear inequalities by going through new models. Let's move to the first problem. 2 less than 4x minus 16 less than 18. So now let us remove this minus 16 or eliminate this minus 16 by adding plus 16 on both sides of inequality. 2 plus 16 and becomes 18. Minus 16 and plus 16 get cancelled. 18 plus 16 is 34. Now to uh, eliminate this 4, let us divide by 4 on both sides of inequality. 4 ones are 4. 18 by 4 becomes 9 by 2, since 2 is a factor of both 18 and 4. And similarly 34 by 4 becomes 17 by 2. So x values lies between 9 by 2 is 4.5 and 17 by 2 is 8.5. Let us move to the second problem. 3x plus 1 less than 4 or 3x plus 1 greater than 16. So let us solve the first condition. 3x plus 1 less than 4. Let us remove this one. 3x plus 1 minus 1 less than 4 minus 1. Subtracting 1 from both sides. 1 plus 1 cancel. 3x less than 3. Let us remove this 3 by dividing 3 on both sides. 3x by 3 less than 3 by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. So it gives x less than 1 is one condition. And second one is, let us remove again 1 on the second by subtracting 1 from both sides. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. 3x less than 15. So let us eliminate 3 from left hand by dividing by 3 on both sides. 3 ones are 3 5s are 3 ones are 3. X less than 5. Sorry, my bad. It should the symbol is greater than, not less than. X greater than 5. X less than 1. X less than 1 or x greater than y. So these are the solution. A combination of both is the solution for the equation. X less than 1 means minus 1, minus infinity to 1 union x greater than 5, 5 to infinity. So this is the solution for the this is the range for the given. Let us solve this problem. So whenever there is modulus, just we let us take this example, modulus of x less than a. So if we try to remove the modulus, it becomes minus x less than minus a less than x less than plus a. This is the condition. So let us apply the same for this rule for this. Minus 9 less than x minus 2 less than 9. So let us remove this minus 2 by adding 2 on both sides. Minus 9 plus 2 x less than 9 plus 2. Minus 7 less than x less than 11. So minus 7 less than, minus 7 to 11 is the range of the values of x. Thank you.